Not many people explore these, but there's some of the best spots in Penang. First stop, Kek Lok Si Temple. It's the biggest Buddhist temple in Malaysia, filled with colorful lanterns, a towering pagoda, and a massive Goddess of Mercy statue. First, get your tickets for the cable car. Although nung time namin, under maintenance, pero may shuttle naman paakyat. Pero before heading up, don't miss the turtle pond.
Cute! Ang daming turtles!
On level 2 and 3, you'll find several prayer halls. Tapos one of the highlights is the giant temple bell, which visitors ring for good luck and blessings. Finally, at level 4, you'll be greeted by the towering bronze statue of the Goddess of Mercy. Ang ganda ng view! Afterwards, nag-grab ako to Penang Hill. Better to book pala your tickets in advance kasi madaming tao sa funicular. VIP din yung kinuha ko para wala ng pila.
Guys, so ako lang po yung nasa fast lane.
The funicular train takes just a few minutes to reach the top and super scenic ng ride. At the summit, you'll find plenty to explore, may mga temples, and of course, the panoramic viewpoint where you can see Georgetown and the mainland. That's our trip! Like and follow for more travel videos!